My name is Venkat MD, Director of Time Tirupati. So, in this class, I will discuss with you shortcuts in arithmetic part 1 it is. So, it is for IBPS, SBI, SSC, RRB and other nation level entrance examinations it is. Okay. So, this is part 1. Now, some techniques I will discuss with you in this part 1 it is. So, question number 1 it is. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, then find A is to B is to C it is. That is question number 1. So, see here I will explain general method and also the shortcut. For each and every question I will discuss with you what is the general approach, what is the concept and what is the shortcut related to that it is. Okay. Now, see here what is the general approach. First I will discuss with you what is the general approach of this it is. Okay. Now, see here what is given. So, A is to B, A is to B. So, it is given. So, 2 is to 3. So, B is to C is given. So, B is to C is 4 is to 5 it is. 4 is to 5. These two is given. Now, in A is to B and B is to C, the common term is B. The common term is B here. In A is to B, B is there. In B is to C also B is there. But in the first term A is to B, B corresponding value is 3 here. Now, in the second ratio B is to C, B corresponding value is 4 here. So, in the first ratio B value is 3, in the second ratio B value is 4 it is. So, they must be equal. So, you must equate that. How can you equate that? The first ratio can be multiplied by this 4 into 4. The second ratio can be multiplied by this 3 it is into 3. Entire ratio can be multiplied. So, if the ratio can be multiplied by the same number, its value cannot be changed. The terms of ratio can be multiplied by the same number, its value cannot be changed. So, the first ratio can be multiplied by second ratio B value. Now, the second ratio can be multiplied by in the first ratio B value it is. So, first ratio into 4, second ratio into 3 it is. Okay. Now, first ratio can be multiplied by 4. How much you got? 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12 it is. Now, the second ratio by multiplying 3. So, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15 it is. Now, by observing here B value is 3. In both the cases B value is same here. B is 3 now. So, B is equal. Now, what is A now? 8. A is 8. So, B is 12. C is 15 now. What is A is to B is to C now? A is to B is to C is equal to, so 8 is to 12 is to 15. So, this is the general method. So, what is the general method? In A is to B and B is to C, B is the common term. The first ratio can be multiplied with second ratio of B value. Second ratio can be multiplied with the first ratio of B value it is. Okay. Now, here the second ratio of B value is 4, that can be multiplied by 4 in the first ratio into 4, second ratio into 3 it is. So, okay, we equate the value of B. So, B is 12 now, A is 8, B is 12, C is 15. We get A is to B is to C is 8 is to 12 is to 15. This is the general method. But what is the shortcut of this? How can we calculate in shortcut method it is? What is the shortcut method? So, for each and every question I will discuss with you what is the general method, what is the shortcut method. So, in shortcut method, see here A is to B it is given 2 is to 3. So, B is to C is given 4 is to 5 it is. Like this you have to take. A is to B, under this you have to write B is to C now. Now, to get A is to B is to C, first multiply these two. 2 into 4, 8. Next multiply cross it is. Multiply with cross, 4 into 3, 12 it is. Now, 3 into 5 is 15. So, this order you have to follow it is, so this order you have to put in your mind. This is the sequence. First multiply these two, next multiply these two, next multiply these two. We get directly A is to B is to C here. Now, what is A is to B is to C? 8 is to 12 is to 15. This is the shortcut, you can get the answer in seconds it is. Okay, clear? At anywhere A is to B, B is to C is given. First write down A is to B, under that you have to write B is to C. Okay, now apply this shortcut curve. So multiply first two, next cross, next last two. So directly you get A is to B is to C it is. Okay. Now I will discuss with you another question here. Now question number 2 it is. What is question number 2 here? So if 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C, then find A is to B is to C it is. Now see here. So what is the general method? What is the shortcut method? Both I will explain you here. What is the general method? What is given? 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C it is given. So 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C it is given. From the first two ratios, calculate A by B. Calculate A by B. What is A by B? So by taking 2 in this side, 3 by 2 it is. By using the first two ratios, so A by B equal to 3 by 2. By using the second and third ratio, B by C. B by C. By taking C in this side by C, by taking 3 in this side by 3. 4 by 3 it is. Okay, now again here. A by B means A is to B it is, so A is to B is 3 is to 2, now B is to C is again, so 4 is to 3 it is. Now here B value is 2, now here B value is 4. Now what you do? Equate the value of B. How can you equate the value of B? The first ratio can be multiplied with the second ratio of B value. The second ratio can be multiplied with the first ratio of B value. Okay, now the first ratio can be multiplied with second ratio of B value means into 4. Second ratio can be multiplied with first ratio of B value, so into 2 it is. Now what you got now? So by multiplying 4, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8. Now here by multiplying 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6 it is. Now B value is same, now B value becomes equal, B value is 8 now. Now we get A is to B is to C here. What is A is to B is to C now? So A is to B is to C is equal to, so 12 is to 8 is to 6 it is. Now all the terms put in simplified form it is. Now 12 is to 8 is to 6 if you observe, all the terms are divisible by 2. By dividing 2, 2 6 gets cancelled, 2 4 2 3. Now what is A is to B is to C? 6 is to 4 is to 3 it is. So this is the general method. Now what is the shortcut method for this? You can get the answer in a single step it is. What is the shortcut method? See here in shortcut method, how can you calculate A is to B is to C here? Now what is given? 2A is equal to, so 3B is equal to 4C it is given. So from the directly, how can you got A is to B is to C in shortcut method? Very simple approach is there. If the number of terms equal, it is given 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C equal to 5D equal, just like number of terms equal is given. So you can get the answer in a single step it is. Okay, what is the shortcut? So to get A, close A first. Close A. Close first term. Okay, take the product of the remaining, it is 3 into 4, 12 it is. All of you follow? To get first term, so close first term, close 2A term. So in the remaining two terms, take the product of constant it is. So 3 into 4 it is. What is 3 into 4? It is 12. Now to get second term, close the second term. So what we do? What is the strategy? To get second term, to get B, close the second term. Now take the product of first and last. 2 into 4 it is. What is 2 into 4? 8 it is. Now to get the third term, close the third term and take the product of first two. 2 into 3 it is 6. Now all are divisible by 2. So 2 6, 2 4, 2 3. Now what is the A is to B is to C now? 6 is to 4 is to 3. So what is our answer? 6 is to 4 is to 3. So in the previous general method also you get the same answer here, 6 is to 4 is to 3. But in shortcut method also you get the same answer, 6 is to 4 is to 3. So what is the shortcut method? Listen to me once again. If 2A equal to 3B equal to 4C is given, just like number of terms equal is given, how can you got A is to B is to C? To get A, first close A, complete close A. Take the product of B and C now. B coefficient is 3, C coefficient is 4, 3 into 4, 12 it is. Now to get B, close B here. Now take the product of first and last it is, A, C. So 2 into 3 it is, 6. 2 into 4 it is, 2 into 4, 8. Now to get C, close C now. close C and take the product of first 2. What is 2 into 3? 6 it is. Now all the terms are divisible by 2. By dividing 2, how much you got? So 6 is to 4 is to 3 it is. All of you clear? Now we will go for, I will discuss with you one more example in this class it is. Just like number of shortcuts are there, so in each and every question in arithmetic, we can do it in general method and also the shortcut method. So you have to know both it is. So general method is concept orientation. If you have command and concept, if the question will be given in a critical manner, okay, in advanced manner, so you can do it very easily. Okay, so you must know both general approach and also shortcut method. Now question number 3 here. So question number 3. So just like it is, if 2a equal 3b equal 4c equal to 5d it is given, 2a equal to b equal to 3c equal to 4d, 4 terms are given. Then find a is to b is to c is to d here. So we apply the same shortcut it is, number of terms are equal it is given, see here, directly I will discuss with you the shortcut. Okay, now here what is given? 2a equal to, so 2a equal to, so 2a equal to, now b equal to 3c equal to 4d it is given. Now directly you got a is to b is to c from this. So how can you got a is to b is to, so c is to d? What is the shortcut related to that? To get first term, close the first term and take the product of the remaining terms. What is the product? 1 into b means 1 into b it is. So b 1 into 3 into 4, 12. Now to get the second term, close the second term, b, close b. Now take the product 2 into 3 into 4, 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24 it is. Now to get the third term, close third term, close c term. Now take the remaining terms product, 2 into 1 into 4, 8 it is. Now to get the fourth term, close fourth term and take the product of the remaining terms, 2 into 1 into 3. So 6 all are divisible by 2, 2 6 it is. So 2 12s, 2 4s and 2 3s. Directly you got a is to b is to c is to d it is. So this is the shortcut. If the number of terms are equal it is given, so you can calculate directly a is to b is to c is to d. So reason to once again, to get a, close a and take the product of the remaining terms coefficients it is. So b coefficient, c coefficient and d coefficient, take the product it is. To get b, close b term and take the product of the coefficients, a coefficient, c coefficient and d coefficient it is. To get c, close c and take the product of a coefficient, b coefficient and d coefficient. Okay, to get d, fourth term, close d term and take the product of a coefficient, b coefficient and c coefficient it is. So get a is to b is to c is to d it is. Okay. A wonderful shortcuts are there in arithmetic. Okay, you can do it in seconds it is. Now question number 4. In a college, question number 4, in a college, boys and girls are in the ratio 5 is to 3. If the number of boys are 150, then find the number of girls it is. So very simple it is, shortcut is there. So I can do it in single step it is. What is the shortcut related to this? Okay, see here. What is the shortcut related to this? So in a college, boys and girls are given here. So boys is to girls it is given in a college 5 is to 3 it is. 5 is to 3. Means so boys are 5 parts, girls are 3 parts it is. And number of boys are given 150. So number of boys it is 5 parts value 150. So we require the number of girls it is. So 5 parts become 150 means into how much here? 30. 5 into 30. So here into 30 means here also do the same thing into 30. 3 into 30. How much 3 into 30? 90 it is. So the number of girls are how much here? So 90 girls are there it is. Clear? Now we will go for next question. So question number 5 it is. Question number 5. So the two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 9 and their sum is 70, then find their difference it is. Okay, this also I will discuss with you in shortcut method. So what is the shortcut method? See here for this question. So what is the shortcut method? See here what is given. So the two numbers are in the ratio 5 is to 9 it is given. So 5 is to 9 numbers ratio. So means one number is 5 parts, another number is 9 parts here and their sum is given. Sum means how many parts it is? 5 plus 9, how much it is? 14 parts it is. So its value be given, 14 parts value be given 70. So we require their difference. What is the difference of parts? What is the difference of parts here? What is the difference between 5 and 9? How many parts here? 4 parts it is. We require 4 parts value. So 14 parts value is 70, means into 5. So here into 5 means here also you do the same thing, into 5. So this is the shortcut. So 14 parts value 70, 14 becomes 70 means into 5. Here into 5 means here also you do the same thing, into 5, 4 into 5, 20. Okay, so just like number of shortcuts are there in each and every question. So in arithmetic, each and every question, so I will discuss with you what is the general method, what is the concept, and what is the shortcut in that. Okay, so in the second part I will discuss with you some more examples. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Thank you to all of you.